Hi parents, I'm so glad that you are joining us today. We are talking about blocks and the importance of block play in early childhood education. Okay, so we're talking about how we are building connections through block play. So one skill that we teach here in preschool are patterns. Okay, patterns are very important. Patterns help children make predictions and they begin to understand what comes next. So this is a very important skill that will follow them for the rest of their life. So we are establishing, making that connection here in preschool, okay, through patterns. So using patterns with blocks, okay, can be a lot of fun and pretty simple too. So finding blocks that have a lot of variety in size and shapes will be great for making patterns. We're just going to start out with a simple A-B pattern where we alternate the two blocks that have a different size or shape or even color. Okay, and the reason we're doing this is because we want children to begin using reasoning skills, and working with patterns is going to help them make those logical connections. Okay, so starting out with a simple block, this one is in the shape of a cube. Okay, so we're going to use this, and then we're going to find a block that does not look anything like the first block we chose. So I chose this one, and then I found a block that is very different. It looks very different. So your child is going to see visually that these are two different types of blocks. Okay, so this one's like a cylinder. So I'll lay that next to it. Then we're teaching the child to go back and switch to the block that we started with. Okay, so we are going to choose this block again. All right, so they can see that we are going back and forth between these two blocks, creating the A-B pattern. All right, and then we choose this block, put it next to there, make sure we can see. All right, and then we go back to this type of block. All right, and make this feel natural with your child. It should come naturally. So a lot of times we here in preschool, we are not really setting things up to where it's like an obvious teaching moment. Okay, so we teach through play. And that's what we want to get across to you tonight, is that we are teaching through play. And so make it fun. Talk to your child about, well, which block will come next? Okay, so I laid this one down, this one down, this one, which one? And just have that conversation and get them starting to think about what comes next in a sequence, and making those predictions. Okay, that's what's happening in your child's brain when they are working out patterns. Okay, so this is just one way to use blocks to build those connections that we want to build in early childhood. Okay, so have fun with this and have a great time. Bye.